Hello, my name is Jasly and I will be talking to you about welding tool and how to use it. But first we must know what welding is. Welding is a process of fixing two or more pieces that bite meat, means of heat melt part of say pieces other filler material is added. They come together and when they cool down the union of them takes place. The welding tools are as follows: soldering iron, solder pump, tin, gripper pliers, etc. Welding in trenches. First, before you start, make sure the tip is clean and shine. Now hold the soldering iron in one hand. Hold a long piece of solder in the other. The solder contains flush. This keeps surface clean and aid in the soldering process. Next, place the two components together. Touch the area where they join with the soldering iron and solder. Then pull the solder away. Hold the iron in place for another second to melt the solder. And you mistake using a desoldering iron. A soldering sucker uses a vacuum pump to remove all solder which also removes solder. This is a copper bright material, sucker material, sucker bond to it when heated with a soldering iron. Thank you.